We'll start by just saying what an ion is and then move on to explain why they form in this simple chemical reaction. So, an ion is a positively or negatively charged atom or small group of atoms. The charge is caused by the atom gaining or losing a small number of electrons, that's often one. There are a number of ways this can happen. One of them is by a chemical reaction. On the right are diagrams of a sodium atom and a chlorine atom. Sodium has 1 electron in its outer energy shell and chlorine has 7. To achieve stability, an atom should have a complete outer energy shell. That's 8 in each case here. When these two react together to form sodium chloride, they can both achieve a complete energy shell when 1 electron swaps from the sodium to the chlorine. In doing this, chlorine gaining electron becomes negative, and sodium losing electron, still having the same number of protons, becomes positive. Having opposite charges, the two ions strongly attract. The reaction, as they combine, produces a great deal of heat. As a solid, they form a large lattice, a crystal, which is chemically very stable, hard, and has a high melting point. As with most salts, when sodium chloride dissolves in water, the ions separate. To try and show this, there's a simple series circuit with water as part of it. Since water is a poor conductor of electricity, the current flowing is small. I'm going to sprinkle in a small amount of common salt, table salt. As the salt crystals fall into the water, they start to dissolve, and the current rises. It rises even more rapidly as it's stirred. As they dissolve, the ions dissociate. The positive ions are attracted to the negative terminal, and the negative ions to the positive terminal. And as you can see, a chemical reaction takes place. Thank you for watching. You might find the two connected videos on ionization useful.